What is up and welcome back to the video. So first and foremost, I would like to say welcome to all the new subscribers. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button, I appreciate you. And guys, please don't forget, if you're watching this video and you haven't hit subscribe yet, once we get to 1,000 subs, we are going to be doing a full semi-custom graphics kit giveaway. So hit the subscribe button, let's get it done, let's get to 1,000 subs, and one of you guys will win a sweet new graphics kit for your dirt bike. So with that out of the way, for the past couple of weekends I have been ripping my KTM at the Bronx. I'll put some links to the videos in somewhere on the screen, but now it's time to give the KTM some love again. So firstly, well, recently I put on this oversized brake perch that just needs some adjustments again, and I put on a new gear lever which is working slick. So as you can see, about half of my foot peg is missing. So what we got to do today, throw on a new set of oversized foot pegs and just pop in a clean air fit. But before we do that, one thing I hate doing is working on a dirty dirt bike. So I've got everything ready here and we're gonna give her a good clean and then we'll get to work. Alrighty, so now that we've got the bike clean and a fresh filter in, it's time to place these foot pegs. So what I got some DRC hardware wide foot pegs. They are manufactured in Japan and they are made from chrome moly steel. So very strong, very durable, and they are slightly oversized to the KTM foot pegs, and they should offer very decent grip. So I can't wait to pop them on. Obviously it's going to be a vast improvement over my half a foot peg. So let's do some magic and get them on. Alright, we've got the foot pegs on both sides. So I think they might chew up the boots a little bit, but it's fine. The extra grip and stability it offers is well worth it. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail of this video, I won some stuff from KTM. So the way this whole thing played out is when the lockdown started, KTM started a stay ready to race campaign, and they ran a couple of competitions, and I was lucky enough to win one of them. If I remember correctly, it was the hashtag ready to race family. So in the competition I had won a voucher. I went down to Tracks KTM in Silver Lakes and I redeemed the voucher up there. So what we got two cool little slap stickers, a proper set of riding socks, which to me is amazing because I've never had proper riding socks, and a fresh set of gloves. My old gloves were starting to wear out a bit, so super stoked to ride with all the new stuff on the bike and the new riding gear. I'm sure it's going to make a big difference, and I would like to say thank you to KTM South Africa and Tracks KTM for selecting me as the winner. And if you guys are looking to buy some parts for your bike, to service your bike, or to maybe purchase that brand new 2020 or 2021 dirt bike, go ahead and check out Tracks KTM. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next week we will jump into some more KTX stuff, and there's going to be some more riding footage from Mama Rock this weekend. So go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and peace out.